Meaning of displeasing.
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 Displeasing. Displeasing means causing a feeling of dissatisfaction or disapproval. It conveys a negative sentiment towards something that is not liked or appreciated. The result of something being displeasing can range from mild annoyance to intense anger or disappointment, depending on the severity of the situation and the individual's personal feelings towards it. Overall, the term displeasing suggests a sense of discomfort and unhappiness with a particular event, circumstance, or object.